Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into everything that you need to know about mullein, or Verbascum thapsa. It's an ancient herb that's making waves in modern health. Mullein has been treasured for centuries for its powerful health benefits, especially for the respiratory system. It's easy to use, versatile, and a wonderful addition to anyone's medicine cabinet. In this video, we're going to explore mullein's health benefits, how to choose a high quality product, safe usage, and some important precautions. Whether you're new to mullein or you're looking to deepen your knowledge, you're in the right place. Let's start with the main reasons that people turn to mullein, the incredible health benefits. Mullein is famous for its impact on respiratory health. For centuries, people have used it as a go-to remedy for coughs, congestion, and respiratory illness. Its soothing effects can relax the bronchial passages, and it can help to ease that stubborn mucus buildup. Imagine it as a natural balm for your lungs. So in addition to respiratory support, mullein also has really powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Many herbalists use it for muscle aches and chronic back pain. It can be used both internally and externally, and it makes it a really flexible option for different kinds of discomfort. So what I'm going to do now is talk to you about mullein versus mullein. So obviously there's varying qualities to the type of mullein that you can buy. If it's local and organic and fresh, then that's going to be the better for the medicinal value. So I'm going to show you now. That's mine, which I grow organically on my medicinal herb farm. This is one that I've purchased online. This is actually okay. It's sort of like, it's got some bits and bobs of stuff that's very obviously not mullein inside of it. It's also not light and fluffy. It's sort of like, looks like it's on its way out. You can still use it, definitely still use it, but it's not going to have the amazing potency that something that's fresher and lighter and fluffier would have. This is something that I purchased from my local health food store, and quite honestly, it's disgusting. It kind of just looks like dirt. It's got other grasses inside of it, which I'm actually not sure what they are. It's obviously just grass. It's full of sticks. And it sort of is really grainy and grumbly, and it's not light and fluffy as mullein should be. So this basically, I would say just do not use it. The only thing that this is good for is compost. So we'll start with the not ideal stuff, so I can give you a really deep sort of look at it. All right, so yeah, this is just trash. So literal sticks of grass, like lots of grass. So I've talked about fillers previously. These are not fillers. This is just like stuff that's not meant to be there. I don't know what this is. So it's really grainy and grumbly. It's not light and airy and fluffy like mullein should be. It's full of grass, actual grass and sticks. And it's not something that you would put into any sort of tea or tinctures to make effective medicine. Okay, the next one. So it's not as bad. You can see it's a lot more close to the original color of a mullein plant. So that it has a point for that. Okay, so this one you can see much, much closer to the original color of a mullein plant. I'd suggest it's probably not as old. This one is a product of Bulgaria. This one would still be fine. So the second product, it still has a bit of light and airy fluffiness to it. The leaf size is a little bit bigger. It has a few bits and bobs that are clearly not mullein inside of it, which isn't ideal. They're fillers. Looks like plastic. Oh my God, this plastic. Having great big sticks and pieces of grass and those sorts of things. These products are sold based on weight, and having these additional random things in here are of no medicinal benefit to you. I reckon if we harvested all of the sticks and put them to one side, you'd have half of the product there. And then we go to my product. It's organically grown in Australia. I personally, myself, ensure the quality of every single packet. So you'll see it's completely different. So this is only mullein leaf. So if you have a look, you'll see it's light and airy and fluffy. It looks like fluff, because that's what mullein leaves are. They're just, as soon as you blend them, they are fluff. So from this end product, the Bulgarian product, obviously quite old, to this actual mullein leaf that looks like fluff. It's got no fillers, no grass, no great big sticks, which aren't going to be of any help to you. It's a very stark difference between all three of them, and you can very clearly see the difference in the quality. If you're looking to purchase high quality organic mullein, you can buy my products. So I've got the herbal tea and the tincture. You can order from my website, from australianmedicinalherbs.com.au.